UniTech in particular has been hit hard by the government's belt-tightening measures. When the school year began, 300 students missed out from getting the government's HECAS funding support after the minimum cut-off mark for academic performance was raised over the holiday period from 66% to 68%.
So the situation is that they are aware that if they are to register that amount of money that they are required to pay have to be paid for them to register.
300 represents about 10% of the total UniTech student intake. The university administration said while there are frustrations, parents and guardians have dug deeper to keep their children in school. When the academic year started, the national government issued a directive to UniTech and other universities to have a cost reduction strategy ready by April. The directive comes at a time when UniTech is recruiting new lecturers both in country and overseas in a bid to improve its academic quality. The Deputy Vice-Chancellor says academic programs won't be affected by the cuts, but non-essential areas will have to be trimmed.
Academically, we will continue to recruit, but in our operations, administrations and support services, we have to look into these areas and look at the staff numbers.
The government's belt-tightening measures are fast becoming obvious, with key essential services taking the blows. At the beginning of the school year, the Education Minister announced the resumption of project fees, citing the late arrivals of TFF funds. Sizable chunks have been also sliced off budgets for local level governments and provincial governments. Scott Waide, National EMTV News, Lae.